You know, say fully tank up. You know, it's God above all thing. You know, it's Uplife representing for Team Lock TV. I miss a Team Lock. Them have the scheme lock. From Kingston to country to Sherlock. And have the world lock. And have the world a rock. He said just check it out. Yeah, when me say, hey, say just check it out. Because the money in your pocket, Team Lock, go and take it out. Go tell a friend, go tell a friend, go tell everybody. Yeah. Go tell a friend, go tell everybody. Yeah. So your Team Lock TV got the best review, the best music videos. Now tell no lie. And don't forget, so if you like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And don't forget to punch up your notification bell. Yeah.
Oh, okay, don't worry, baby. You're gonna get it right, baby. Don't, it's okay, darling. It's okay. It's okay. A lot of people can't cook out here. A lot of people can't buy rice. They can't buy ramens. Okay, baby, we got you. We understand. Don't worry, baby.
Get in there. Get in there.
Yeah, I just want people to guide you to do the right thing next time, okay?
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm coming back tomorrow.
I didn't have to show her nothing, man. She just roll out.
When you come to live tomorrow, talk me and people that can cook. Talk somebody else. They can teach you.
Pass your teacher girl.
Look good on the top of line.
What you wanna do, teacher? I she cook by
Pop
time.
should I eat the curry?
Pop. Pop said,
My girl first time. You're too wicked, Pops.
Don't make fun of me.
Okay, Pops. Next time, Pops. Next
What
time.
you want, teacher, man?
I ate.
I got enough, mom.
No, with the girl curry for your first time.
Pops, good
You don't know anybody run for your first time.
I'm not gonna eat it because you don't get it.
Nobody. I can teach her. We can teach her.
In there. So who will support her if him not try it?
Watch out, I could have eat something, but listen up from a man in my belly. Me, allow me to tell. You can't. That works, bro.
You've been chewing up.
Pops encourage the girl.
Bro, that works for the first time.
People cook curry fish all the time and put the coconut in
Yeah, once the curry fry up, the curry can't do nothing, bro. Because the curry
Exactly.
fry, bro.
Exactly.
Wild curry hurt belly, bro. Who not top?
Ashley, next time you come alive, we're gonna help you. We got you. We got you, baby. Don't worry.
Ashley.
Welcome.
Yeah. Ashley, nothing wrong with your food here, baby girl.
Okay, no.
Come back tomorrow.
No, with the food. All I do, Ashley, next time you TikTok it.
I know it's time.
Yo, big up in a Pops. Big up Pops there, actually.
We love you guys. You guys are your favorite on the house. You guys are
One
your
thing I
favorite.
say is Pops don't follow the media, but bro,
Listen, tell Ashley the truth. Tell him it's a curry dog.
but you know,
Nothing more.
Pops, okay, Pops.
I never see it.
Pops, you're gonna give Jada a custard. Give her on TikTok, gonna give her a custard beer.
I have a different curry, like a darker one. That's why.
And you from Suriname. You from Suriname. We cook different. We cook different, baby. We cook.
Never go like say I work curry there.
Yeah, she's from Suriname. They cook different.
Nobody now
They
wants
cook
to
different.
Some want to say the words curry, not the words. So Pops need to
Pops,
just
stop it. Pops, stop it. Pops, stop. Pops, stop.
Curry black. It's not curry black.
Okay, I hear me. Listen up.
Stop. Bono posa da na.
My mother, this morning, the asthma take me, my belly hot me cannot eat it.
Pops, I say bad bro, be careful where you post. Yeah, make a go viral, bad bro. Cause I say them a screen recording, bro. That's
Yeah,
the
but
one
I
thing you
took
can
a
say
belly
to you.
hot this morning. Alright, well, tell the people them say my belly hot me, you can't eat that.
Do it for your friend, bro. So one thing, I'm straightforward.
Alright, Ashley.
Guys, his belly's been hurting or somewhere. So I mean, I get it because if you're gonna be having coconut milk and all of those things that like your belly's gonna rumble anyway. So I get that if your belly was already hurting you before, then you shouldn't be eating this. Right? I get it. Can you better speak for me now?
I don't really know.
All right.
But we love the support and everything, though. Keep up the, isn't me? We love the energy.
worry, tomorrow we're gonna help her. She come alive, we're gonna teach her how to do the right thing. Don't worry, bitch. I know you was the one from the vehicle. You wanna come again, Pops? You wanna cook again?
At the end of the day, there's nothing wrong with the food.
You wanna cook again? We can help you to cook on it live. You wanna come again? You could cook a different stew. Sardine, chicken stew.
I'm gonna set the vote sitting up there, so. How me set the vote sitting now? Now gonna tell me if it cook good. How no set it?
Pops. I need to say it was good for the first time. Trust me. She did good actually for the first time.
Yeah, it's true.
True. Give her racing. Well, she did good for the first time. A lot of females could not have done that. You know, and she did
But
good.
bro, main thing is remember say run the TikTok, you know. Everybody have eyes on me, you know. You have to know go out there, bro.
That is true. That's true. I know what you say, and I try. Don't try to bring her down like nobody else. Try to bring her. That is true. A lot of people.
Your food look damn good, girl.
All if it don't look good, all if it just you see me, just see the meat.
Encourage her,
Live
bitch.
there, you know, bro.
Encourage her.
Even if it don't look good, or don't try to bring her down on the life, because that people want to see.
No, mommy, watch out.
Yeah, true.
I'm not bringing him down, but watch out, mommy. I hear me belly out for a morning.
But mine and them only want to see the way I see to make your belly hot.
I don't think, guys, listen, I don't think Pops is trying to bring her down. He's just being truthful. He's just being truthful. It's not about bringing her down. People want to see for screen recorded for run with it. What you're saying is so true. People are screen recorded. Ashley did amazing, girl. Just watch her, yes.
They're going with themselves, girl.
But at least you're cooking, Ashley. At least you're cooking. Some people can't even do that.
Yeah, true, man. They can't read. They stuck on live one man.
Exactly. A lot of them who talking can't even do what Ashley did tonight.
Not even breakfast.
We are big you up, Ashley.
And guys, she from Suriname, where they cook different. She from Suriname. They cook different over here.
Different.
Yeah, she's not a Jamaican. Okay.
But she know more
Ashley and Ashley's for the very first time.
Me and I see him close on last night we put on them clothes. I told him something in me na TikTok and nothing. So
here they are.
This is more people better.
Exactly, Pop.
The people are buying
Clothes. You wear your clothes any amount of time you want to wear it.
Okay, honey. This is more people. Right now.
I don't understand these people online. Them just
Bad mind.
to be nice, but why?
clothes. You wear it any amount of time you want to wear it. That's your clothes. Pops.
Say Jaden people. Jaden in our jacket 9 weeks. And he not take off.
What these people how can they say that you guys don't have done?
And they never see that 3 months. No one sweater.
But you know, what I learned with TikTok is that persons are so biased. You know, people don't split justice and speak the truth.
They're bad mind. I'm not wrong for number one.
Jealous of you.
Jealous bad.
Push Rash.
Brother. Enough is so much.
How much weed? Nobody was talking about it. So why are they talking about Ashley and Pops? Y'all gonna help me. Y'all gonna guide me how to make my husband. They're beautiful.
You're beautiful girl.
It's food that you just cook, nothing to do it.
Not that
Pops don't do it. Pops don't understand nothing about cooking. Me's a chef, let me tell you this. Nothing to do your curry when you cook a while.
Chef, you have a talk to you, Ashley. You did good.
Me a chef to man chef.
Outside everybody
Nothing to do your food. Pops never know color. The curry don't black.
Curry.
No,
Pops young enough. You have to see it.
no black.
No, gonna be a curry girl.
Mommy, I hear me say.
The phone screen and it no looks in real, you know. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So when he put the flash on it again. Here, come put the thing on it. I'm gonna show it one more time.
You know, nothing done to the curry. If Pops don't want to eat, him just don't want to eat. If Pops cook, don't know the curry. Nothing to eat.
Sweet Ashley.
It's just not black.
Then he hurt him and him don't want to eat no curry, but your curry look good.
Of course it does.
From me.
It look good.
Good. Yeah, nice.
It look good. Me when I eat it, you do good girl.
Yeah, she gets a 10. China, Jamaica.
Ashley.
Pops not gonna eat it because him say Pops don't know about cooking.
Pops just used to